device. First, semiconductor device. In this class, we can see about introduction, types of semiconductor device, diode, forward and reverse bias, transistor and types of transistor. Next, first introduction of semiconductor. Unit which consists largely or wholly of semiconductor materials which can perform useful function in electronic apparatus of solid state. Example of semiconductor is PN junction diode, transistor, ICs and etc. Next, there are two types of semiconductor. One is intrinsic semiconductor, another one is extrinsic semiconductor. Intrinsic semiconductor is also known as tetravalent semiconductor. Example is silicon, germanium. And external semiconductor, the example is P-type and N-type semiconductor. Next, diode. Diode consists of two electrodes. One is positive electrode, another one is negative electrode. It has two junctions. One is positive junction and this negative junction, and it is also called as PN junction diode. Next, in forward bias resistance is very small, and the reverse bias resistance is very large, and the conduction is due to thermal agitation. Next one, forward bias. In forward bias, resistance is very small, and the PN junction diode, this is the depletion layer of forward bias. Next one is reverse bias. In reverse bias, resistance is very high, and its conduction is due to thermal agitation. This is the diagram of PN junction diode of reverse bias. Next one, transistor. Transistor was invented in 1948. Transistor is also a semiconductor device and is used for amplify and switch electronic signal. It consists of PN junction diode and connected with back-to-back terminals. It has three regions. One is emitter, another is base, another is collector. Next, PNP transistor. PNP transistor, the base is made up of P-type and the current conductance is mainly due to holes. Holes is a positive electron. Next, in NPN transistor base is also made up of P-type and the current conduction is mainly due to electrons. Electrons is a negative electrons. Next, the advantages of semiconductor. First one is used in microcircuit. Another is this is quite long and sturdy. Usually it has a more life period. Switches is turn on of use of transistor. Today we are discussed about semiconductor and the advantages of semiconductor and the types of semiconductor. Thank you so much.